Olive soap bars are a popular choice for many people due to their natural and nourishing properties. These soap bars are made using traditional soap-making processes that have been used for centuries. In a traditional soap factory, olive soap bars are made using a combination of olive oil, water, and sodium hydroxide, also known as lye. The first step in making olive soap bars is to mix the olive oil and water together in a large mixing vat. This mixture is heated to a specific temperature, and then the sodium hydroxide is added. The mixture is then stirred continuously until it reaches a specific consistency and temperature. Once the mixture has reached the right consistency and temperature, it is poured into molds where it can cool and harden over a period of several days. The molds can be made from various materials such as silicone or metal and can be customized to create different shapes and sizes of soap bars. After the soap has hardened in the molds, it is removed and cut into individual bars using cutting machines. These machines can be adjusted to cut the soap into different sizes and shapes depending on the desired end product. Once the soap bars have been cut, they are left to cure for several weeks to allow excess water to evaporate and the soap to harden further. This curing process enhances the soap's lather and overall quality. In a traditional soap factory, the process of making olive soap bars is often done by hand using traditional techniques. However, some factories may also use modern automation technology to streamline the production process and increase efficiency. Some of you may ask, what is olive soap good for? Is olive oil bar soap good for skin? Is olive soap good for the body? What is the healthiest soap to use? Which soap is the best for skin problems? The answer to all is that olive soap is good for the skin due to its natural and nourishing properties. It is rich in antioxidants and vitamins that can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Olive soap is also gentle and non-irritating, making it suitable for people with sensitive skin. It can help to cleanse and moisturize the skin and may be particularly beneficial for people with dry or mature skin. In general, using natural and organic soaps that are free from harsh chemicals and additives is the healthiest option for the skin. If you have a specific skin problem, such as acne or eczema, it's best to choose a soap that is formulated to address those concerns. Thanks for watching.